Good morning, friends. Today's topic is quadratic equation. Now, if we write a general equation of one variable, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b are the coefficient, that is real coefficients, and c is a constant. Now, in the quadratic equation, variable having exponent as the 2, that is power 2. It means this equation has two factors, are the two zeros. Suppose we take an example, x square plus 5x plus 6. We have to determine the zeros. For zeros, first we have to factorize the equation. Now for the factorization, we take the constant term and the coefficient of the x square. This constant term 6 into 1, that is 6. Now 6 number is factorized into 2 number. The product of the number should be equal to 6 and the sum of the numbers should be equal to the b, that is the coefficient of the x. Now here 6 factorized 3 into 2, multiplication 6 and the addition of 3 plus 2 is 5. So factorize the middle term in the form of the 3x plus 2x. Now split the middle term 3x plus 2x. Now the x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now pairing the equation, taking common x plus 3. Here we are taking 2 as a common, x plus 3. X plus 3 are common, x plus 3, then x plus 2. These are the two factors. Now we have to find out the value of the zeros. Then x is equal to minus 3 and x is minus 2. These are the zeros. Now we take the second example where the coefficient of the x square is given. Suppose it is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Now it is to be factorized. Now here first constant term and the coefficient of the x square, they are multiplied, that is 3 into 2 6. Now factorize 6 into 2 factors such that the product should be equal to the 6 and the sum should be equal to the middle term, that is 5. So again, that is the middle term is coefficient 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Then splitting 5x, 2x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. Here we are taking common 2x, then x plus 1, taking common 3, then x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 are the factors. Now the zeros are x minus 1 and the x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. What do you mean by the zeros? It means if you put the value of the 0 in the equation, you will get the 0 because this equation is equal to 0. Now take an example, what is the application of the zeros. If we take example, 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of the x is k. Now here we have to find out the value of the k, that is coefficient of the x. Now the zeros given, x will be minus 1 upon 2. It means if we put the value of the x minus 1 upon 2 in this equation, we can solve the equation and we can get the value of the k. So putting the value of x minus 1 upon 2 in the equation, 3 into minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus 2kx, x minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2 is divided and then 3 into 1 upon 4 minus k minus 3. So here it is 3 upon 4 minus k minus 3 and we find the value of the k as minus 9 upon 4. So the application of the 0 is to put the value in the equation and you can find the value of the coefficient either A or the B. So I think it is clear to you. If you like my channels, Please subscribe and share it. Thank you.